To be honest, my experience of Monaco was really weird. I didn't feel like I fit in and I was anxious most of the time. But the Japanese gardens were amazing and really worth the visit. I was back in Nice and I had only a few more days left until I fly out to Austria. I met the nicest girls in my dorm, and Nana and I both had an addiction to thrifting, so we decided to spend the last few days going and finding all the cool stores. Oh my god.
It's so good that I have them.
Oh no, how much is this shit?
I have no idea. Oh, you can get like lederhosen.
Oh! Oh my gosh, this is like thrift heaven.
Yes, it is.
Oh my god.
End up buying some shit.
But I also kind of love this though.
Let's see it. It's so cute.
How much is that one? 15 euros. Shit, give me that one.
I ended up buying more things than I needed, and it was a little bit overpriced, and more things than I had space for, but I was happy. I was thrifting again. Well, hello there, sir. Seva. And is in power. Yeah! Vaca round 2.
Chocolate.
Oh,
Chocolate.
coffee. I could do some coffee though.
What's drink in French? Action. Action. Ooh. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. I'm so excited. Wraps for
You've never
lunch.
tasted those before?
I've
You
never
have.
tasted those before.
You have.
No, I haven't.
We're making tortillas. And we got some beers.
Yes.
Oh, it's barbecue sauce and the pesto.
I said goodbye to the girls and a see you later because I had a feeling I would see them again on my journey. I made my way to the airport so that I could go and fly out to my new adventure in Vienna, Austria.
But you bite my lip, don't make a sound. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without